Hello, today I will show you how to set up a free VPN to change your country and get 100% located in United States on iPhone or iOS operation system. And we do not need to install many apps, we just install only one VPN app to change the location. And as you can see in the video, I just use only a free VPN to change my location, and my iPhone get 100% located in the United States. So now, I will show you how to do that. First, you need to install a VPN, which is named Windscribe from App Store. So, open your App Store. Click on search box and search for Windscribe VPN. Then click install if you haven't installed it before. But for me, I have installed it already, so I don't need to install it again. And after you installed it, then let open it. And the first, you will see like this. And if you are a new user, then you need to create one Windscribe account. Click on Get Start. And here, you need to create a username, password, and you need to give an email to receive confirm code, and to verify your account to get 10 GB for free in every month. But for me, I already have Windscribe account, so I don't need to create in this video, and if you are not sure how to create Windscribe account, then you can go to check my old video. I have a full tutorial how to create Windscribe account, and how to verify Windscribe account to get 10 GB for free in every month. And after you created Windscribe account, then just enter your username and password, then click continue. And after you log into your Windscribe VPN, then just select a country that you want, and for me here, I just select United States, and in New York City. Okay, and after you open the VPN, then let's go to check your location IP address. Open your browser and go to hooer.net to check your IP address. Now as you can see, I get only 78% for located in the United States. So, now I'm going to show you how to do to get 100% located in United States. Just go to your setting. Scroll down and click on General. Click on Date and Time. Then here, just change your time zone to where is your VPN located. Just search for New York City, because the VPN is located in New York. Then go to check your IP address again, to make sure you get 100% changed. Okay, now, I get 80%. Okay, go to your setting again, and follow the last step. Click on General again. Scroll down, click on Language and Region. And here, you need to change your region to United States, because your VPN is located in United States. Search for United States. Then click Change to United States. Okay, after you changed your region country to the same with your VPN location, then go to check your IP address again. Well done. And I hope this video can help you. If you want to change your Facebook primary location, Instagram, or TikTok primary location, then this video is should useful for you. Okay, thanks for watching. And if you have question, then leave your comment below. And if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button and give subscribe to stay tuned with us. Thanks and bye for now.